Lastly is a crypto asset investment matrix that I've created. And it shows the opportunities that exist in this new crypto economy. And they run the gamut of relatively low risk to incredibly high risk. And the reward profiles shift as well. At the very top right, you obviously have ICOs. ICOs are one of these things that have massive upside, but also high likelihood of failure, probably the greatest likelihood of failure of any sort of crypto asset. Then you have these utility and application tokens, which come after the ICO, but have generally proven themselves a bit more, you'd hope. And those tokens, once again, are highly speculative, because if the application that they're built for fails, the token fails. Which is why protocol tokens are probably the most interesting crypto asset in terms of investment, because as long as the protocol that the tokens are issued for, whether that protocol is Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other protocol that issues out a crypto token as a reward, those tokens will always have value as long as someone is using that blockchain. So it's not dependent on a single application or a single team. Almost all these blockchains are open source, and thus in the realm of crypto asset investment, it's relatively safe. Then of course at the very bottom left, you have security tokens. Security tokens are a new form of token, and we actually created the first one at Blockchain Capital just over a year ago. And a security token, very simply, is just the representation of something that is considered valuable and scarce in the real world and put in a tokenized form on the blockchain. The reason why this is so important and will become the largest crypto asset class in the next 2 to 3 years is because blockchains allow the whole world to become a stock market, making things more tradable and liquid and accessible to the masses. If you think about an asset class like real estate, which is the largest asset class in the world, it's highly illiquid and it's highly unavailable to the vast majority of people that otherwise may be able to have a more diversified investment portfolio with a variety of real estate assets under their portfolio.
Great. I'm very, very happy to be able to share this. He does a great job. If you have a chance, definitely study that chart that he shows and definitely educate yourself and understand what you're investing in, what kind of token you're purchasing. So obviously they do a great job of understanding your risk. And I think that's really important with any kind of investing, that you educate yourself and you learn. And what was great too that he mentioned is the liquidization, or being able to now turn anything into a stock market, which is great because I've mentioned this in the channel. If you've been following this, that I own real estate, and I would love to be able to take a third, maybe even 50% of my real estate holding and be able to securitize it or turn it into a security token, what they're mentioning, and then be able to to sell it and say that, hey, this token represents shares in my real estate asset. In fact, I shared a video where one of the guys on Shark Tank is going to be doing that, and he's going to try to raise $400 million on a New York hotel building. So this is all really exciting stuff, but the most important thing is understand what you're getting into when you're investing. Don't blindly invest. Please educate yourself. There's plenty of free information. You don't need to buy these bullshit YouTube how to invest manuals and stuff like that. This channel, I promise to keep everything free. I don't need anyone's money. I'm not going to sell you anything. All I want to do is provide good free information. And in the future, I do plan on securitizing and selling some of my real estate holdings as crypto assets. So if I am going to make money on you guys, I'm going to be selling you some real estate if you're even interested in that. So that's the only thing I can see myself selling the audience. But let me know what you guys think. We're getting closer and closer to our goal of 10,000 subscribers. The growth of the channel has been amazing. The goal was to hit 10,000 by the end of the year, but I feel like we're going to hopefully hit 10,000 in the next 2 months. But let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.